Softball is a fun sport where two teams, consisting of at least 9 players each, try to score runs by hitting a softball, rounding the bases, and crossing the home plate. Softball games are 7 innings long. Each inning has 2 halves, the top half and the bottom half. To start the top half of the first inning, the fielding team splits up into 9 positions on the field: pitcher, catcher, first baseman, second baseman, third baseman, shortstop, left fielder, center fielder, and right fielder. The batting team decides on a batting order, and the first batter steps up to the home plate. The pitcher throws the ball to the batter using an underhanded throwing motion. Then the batter attempts to hit the ball. The batter's goal is to successfully hit the ball into fair territory and run around as many bases as possible. The 3 most common ways to get a batter out is as follows. 1. A batter gets out by hitting the ball up in the air so that a fielder is able to catch it before it hits the ground. This makes the batter out. 2. By swinging and missing the pitch 3 times. This also means that the batter is out. Or 3. If the batter hits a ground ball and is tagged by a fielder with the ball while running between the bases, this also means that the batter is out. Once the batter hits the ball into fair territory, they must run to at least first base without getting out. The batter can try to run to more than one base, but they must stop on a base without being tagged out to be safe. At this point, the next batter steps up to the plate and takes their turn. Once the fielding team manages to put out 3 batters or base runners, the top of the first inning is over. During the second, or bottom half of the inning, the teams switch positions so the fielding team gets a chance to bat. Gameplay continues this way for 7 innings, and the team with the most runs after 7 innings wins the game.